guys, and welcome back to Heidi's house. This is kind of an impromptu review on a really cool pair of shoes that I picked up at Target on a whim. And I wasn't even going to do a review on them, but I actually went to the mall, I think it was last week, and I got so many compliments on them, and so many people asked me where I got them. Most people thought they were Chanel slides. So based on the feedback, I figured it'd be great to do a review and let you know about them. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay. So the shoes that I picked up, I got actually at Target, and this is them. They're by A New Day, and they are a quilted slide. They came in black, and they also came in what they called white, but they definitely were not white. I would say they were the color, if you've ever had a Boston cream donut, the filling in a Boston cream, they were kind of like the color of that. So I would definitely say they were a cream color. They were completely out of my size in the cream. And this, of course, was the size on display because Mama has extremely small feet. I am a true 5.5. These were a 6 and they fit perfect. They run very narrow. So I would say that if you have wide feet or normal to wide feet, you are going to need to size up a half size. If you have extra wide feet, I would definitely size up a full size. So these are a size 6. They are adorable. They actually have kind of like the style now. It's more of a square toe, although it is definitely, it's rounded on the side, so it's not a true square. And they look adorable. They show off kind of the sexiest or most attractive part of your foot on the instep, the arch. They also have a padded footbed with, I don't know if you can see that, but if it springs up. It has a memory foam insert that goes all the way down to, you can see it, to right where the metatarsals stop and your toes, the phalanges, start. And then that memory foam tapers off, and then there's a thinner layer of memory foam. I don't know what they're made out of. Man-made lining, so they're obviously they're not leather, but they definitely look great. They look like that quilted, padded on your feet. They look leather, and the best part is they're waterproof, and I live in South Florida, so if it rains, I can just wipe them clean. I'm gonna do some mod shots for you. So I have on these white jeans today so you can see how they look. I can definitely wear these to work. I wore these all day, obviously, in the mall, and they were so comfortable, and I think that's what's cool about these. There obviously isn't any internal arch support, but the padding is pretty significant, I would say, in these. And this bridge here that goes over your foot does have a nice, it doesn't have like elastic that it stretches, but it gives. So it's very comfortable. Again, if you do have a wide foot though, I don't think you're gonna have a problem with this part, but as you can see, this part of the arch is pretty narrow, so your foot is gonna spill over it. They fit me perfect, but again, I'm a true 5.5, and the 6 fit perfect. Here is the box. And I will put pictures on the screen of the black pair and the cream pair. And you can definitely get them at Target.com. Hopefully they still have them back in stock. And I know in my local Target, they still had the black ones in stock, only the very large sizes, like 9, 10. I think they had a size 11. That all the smaller sizes were sold out. Anything from like 7, 8 and under, and the cream were completely gutted. I think they only had like one size 9 left. I pay for these, like the most important part. Again, they're size 6, and I paid $19.99. You can see that. They definitely are, in my state, they're a staple because I can wear them all year long. But if you don't live in a warmer climate, this is definitely something that you can wear well into the fall, probably to October if you have a mild fall. So let me show you what they look like on. Okay. So I just have a gray thin sweater with this citrus pineapples on them, and these white, I guess they would be skinny jeans. They definitely give like skinny jeans, and the bottoms I cut because they were too long, and then I rolled them up, and I paired them with these today. Let me get closer so you could see them. They are so comfortable and adorable. The lighting is probably off, not as bright down here. I'll see what I can do in the settings because it is a dreary day here in South Florida, although nice and warm at high 70s, low 80s. The bottoms, they are nice and quiet because the bottoms are the rubber, so you're not going to slip on the floor or on marble or anything like that. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I really hope this was helpful, and if you're in the market for a really chic pair of black slides for the summer that are also really comfortable and versatile into fall, check your local Target or go to target.com. This is not a sponsored video. It'd really help if you'd like and subscribe. And for all you mommies out there who need some comfort but also want to look really nice, I would check these out. I am definitely going to invest in a cream pair if I could get my hands on them in my size. So, as always, stay safe. Don't forget to love yourself. Till next time, mwah.